What's up everybody, Gary here from F150 VC. Today we're going to be installing our first mods on the F150 hybrid. Well, kind of a mod, but it's definitely important for the F150, especially with the weather that we have here in BC, and that is floor mats, specifically from Lasfit. Lasfit was kind enough to send over their floor mats for us to test out on the F150 hybrid. Definitely happy with how the Lasfit floor mats have done on the Jeep, so I can't wait to test it out on the F150. Anyways, enough talking, let's get to unboxing. Sorry, it's getting a little bit dark. This is like after work, so just trying to get it all out and get it installed because it's starting to rain tomorrow, so I want to get it installed in or F150. Anyways, getting it out. Packaging. All right, so quickly get it out. It's a 3-piece, so one of them is going to be the driver floor mat. I'm assuming it's this guy right here that is going to go to the driver's side, and this one is going on the passenger side. And then of course the back one, this big one right here, is going to be going in the back seat. So let's get to installing. So the first thing we're going to be replacing is the driver's side. This is the cloth liner or the floor mats that it came with. With the BC weather, as I said, it's very wet and it snows a lot, so not a lot, but it does rain a lot, so it's gonna be no use for me. It's just gonna get drenched and all that stuff, so we're gonna swap it. Pop this off right here, pop this guy right here as well. All right, so we're gonna get this off. All right, so same thing, pretty easy. Just gonna pop it through and pop through. Pretty easy install and snug fit. That's pretty cool. All right, so let's move on to the passenger side. All right, same thing here. Just gonna remove this out of the way and put this through here. Well, it doesn't have any of the clicks here, so it's just gonna pop through right there and it should be fine. Snug fit, like I said. Probably just gonna get it tighter here. So there. Ooh, I like it, I like it. It's getting a little dark, so it's losing focus. But anyways, it's all installed now. Like I said earlier, it doesn't have anything to click onto or snap onto, specifically this one. But I mean, it's pretty snug still. I don't think it'll be a problem. Typically, I'm the only one driving in the truck anyway, so it should be fine. Looks pretty nice, snug, as I said. Got the liner or the floor mat going underneath here in this piece right here so that it's tight, and same thing here. Get it in there. There you go, good to go. Now we're gonna move on to the back. For this one, it does the same thing, doesn't have anything to snap onto, so I'm just gonna remove it. But the good thing about this piece from Lasfit, it comes all in one spot or one mat itself. So we're just gonna install it down there. I'm actually gonna lift this up and make it easier for myself. Got the other seat up. I'm just gonna install this one piece here. Ooh, pretty cool. I like it. All right, let me just install it quickly. It's all snug in the back, just like the one in the passenger seat. It doesn't have anything to click on. I think eventually this will settle, especially since I'm gonna be sleeping here on the back seat. But anyways, that's how it looks like with the seats up. Let's see how it looks like when the seats are down. And look at that. Definitely can't wait to test these out. But easy install, perfect snug fit. Very happy with it. First mod on the F150. So it's a bit dark right now, and I really like to show it during the daytime, so we'll fast forward to tomorrow.
The next day.
Let's go check out the interior. Well, we still got a little bit of light out right now, so let's go. As you can see, very fitted. I like it. I like the fact that it's very rugged, especially with the weather we're gonna have here in the following months. It is winter right now, so this is gonna be in good use. Let's move on to the passenger side. Just like I said earlier in the video, This doesn't have a place where it clicks on, so it's kind of loose, but I think my sister sat here yesterday when I picked her up, and it kept the way it is. Yeah, form fitted. Everything is all good, so no problem. Pretty happy with it so far. And this is how it looks like in the rear during the daytime. Really impressed with it. Can't wait to test it out. Anyways, it's getting chilly out now. I'm gonna go inside, but again, thank you to Lasfit for sending over their all-weather floor mats for me to test out this coming winter months and for the next 6 months. I'm gonna give my review about it in the future, just like the Jeep. I'm gonna do the same thing for the F150. Yeah, that'll do it for this video. If you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to the channel. Also hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Until next time, guys, like always, stay awesome.